Hello, my name is Jessie. I am going to tell you about the parts of the complex human. There are the brain. The cortex cerebral can be divided in four lobes. There are frontal. The lobe frontal is located at the front of the brain and is associated with the reasoning, motor skills, higher level cognition, and expressive language. At the back of the frontal lobe, near the central sulcus, lies the motor cortex. This area of the brain receives information from various lobes of the brain and utilizes this information to carry out body movements. Damage to the frontal lobe can lead to the change in sexual habits, socialization, and attention, as well as increasing risk-taking. The next is the parietal lobe. It's located in the middle sections of the brain and is associated with processing finely sensory information such as pressure, touch, and pain. A portion of the brain known as the somatosensory cortex is located in the lobe and is essential to the processing of the various senses. The next is the temporal lobe. The temporal lobe is located on the bottom section of the brain. This lobe is also the location of the primary auditory cortex, which is important for interpreting sounds and the language we hear. Damage to the temporal lobe can lead to problems with the memory, speech reception, and language skills. The next is the occipital temporal lobe. It's located at the back portion of the brain and is associated with interpreting visual stimuli and information. The primary visual cortex, which receives and interprets information from the retinas of the eyes, is located in the occipital lobe. Damage to this lobe can cause visual problems, such as a difficult recognizing objects and inability to identify colors and trouble reconstructing works. Thank you.